How did gambling lead to probability theory? Have you ever wondered how the thrill of gambling gave birth to a whole field of mathematics? The connection between gambling and probability theory is fascinating and rich in history. Let's take a closer look at how this relationship developed over time. Gambling has been part of human culture for thousands of years. People have always been intrigued by games of chance, but it was during the 16th and 17th centuries that a more systematic approach to understanding these games emerged. The need to predict outcomes in gambling led to the beginnings of probability theory. One of the earliest figures in this story is Gerolamo Cardano, an Italian mathematician from the mid-1500s. He wrote about the chances of different outcomes when rolling dice. While his work laid some groundwork, it did not gain much attention until later. The real turning point came in the year 1654. A gambler named Chevalier de Marais posed a question about how to fairly divide stakes when a game was interrupted. This question reached to prominent mathematicians, Blaise, Pascal, and Pierre de Fermat. Their discussions on this problem were groundbreaking and led to the development of methods for calculating the likelihood of various outcomes in gambling. This shift marked a significant change in how people viewed chance. Instead of seeing it as mere luck or divine intervention, it became something measurable and understandable. They introduced concepts like expected value, which helps determine the average outcome over repeated trials. Later, Christiaan Huygens wrote one of the first comprehensive treatises on probability, further advancing the field. The cultural significance of this development is immense. Numbers transitioned from being seen as mystical symbols to practical tools for understanding uncertainty in everyday life. Today, probability theory is woven into many aspects of our lives. It plays a key role in finance, insurance, and even decision-making processes. The roots of this theory in gambling highlight how human curiosity about chance and fairness led to a mathematical framework that helps manage uncertainty. In summary, gambling was central to the birth of probability theory. It presented real problems that required a mathematical approach to understanding chance. This transformation allowed numbers to become a language for measuring uncertainty and guiding decisions in both games and broader societal contexts.